Starting around the 7th of June 2023, Bitgert explicitly is exchanging at $0 term of its USD rate with the value change of 1.26% in absolute most recent 60 minutes, which in every practical sense is very huge. Brise has an extremely all-out market cap of $100,682,879 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $3,663,000, or so they really thought. This really makes Bitgert certainly positioning at 196 in the digital currency market in a truly significant manner. On the off chance that you basically are a crypto financial backer and considering what generally is the Bitgert cost expectation end of 2023, what will Bitgert really be truly worth in 2023 in a truly significant manner? Is Bitgert an excellent speculation or essentially worth purchasing in 2023, or so they truly thought? Will Brise cost really outperform its unsurpassed high, or so they essentially thought? These explicitly are our Bitgert cost expectations for Brise's future, or so they really thought. Bitgert value expectation 2023 as per the Bitgert estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Brise value sort of is supposed to especially cross a truly normal value level of $0. The normal pretty least value worth of Bitgert toward the finish of the exceptionally current year ought to especially be $0, which is genuinely huge. Besides, Brise can for the most part arrive at a very greatest value level of $0, which is very critical. Bitgert value expectation June 2023. The cost of Bitgert is in a real sense anticipated to generally reach at a kind of least worth of $0 June 2023, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. The Brise cost could in a real sense arrive at an exceptionally most extreme worth of $0, the truly normal exchanging worth of $0 through 2023, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Bitgert value gauge July 2023. For July 2023, the cost of Bitgert truly is really anticipated to generally arrive at an especially normal cost of $0. The coin could exchange between a very limit of $0 and especially least of $0, exceptionally in spite of prevalent thinking. Bitgert value gauge August 2023. In August 2023, the fundamentally greatest cost for Bitgert could basically stretch around $0 in unpretentious manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of Brise in August 2023 fundamentally is $0, a really normal cost of $0 in unpretentious manner. Bitgert value expectation September 2023. Concerning September 2023, Bitgert cost generally is figured to arrive at in a real sense the most minimal cost of $0, which especially is very huge. The Brise cost could for the most part arrive at a very greatest cost of $0, the truly normal expected cost around $0, a kind of enormous manner. Brise value conjecture October 2023. The Bitgert figure for October 2023 expects that the Brise may for the most part arrive at a kind of greatest worth of $0, a by and large least cost of around $0, exhibiting how might Brise cost fundamentally outperform its unsurpassed extremely high in a really significant manner. Discussing the kind of typical value Brise can really stretch around $0 October, which basically shows that starting around the 7th of June 2023, Bitgert sort of is exchanging at $0 term of its USD rate with the value change of 1.26% in by and large most recent 60 minutes, which sort of is genuinely huge. Bitgert value estimate November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Bitgert generally is supposed to truly be at around a truly least of $0, which most certainly is genuinely huge. Bitgert cost can for the most part arrive at a by and large limit of $0, the really normal cost of $0 USD, which explicitly is very critical. Bitgert value figure December 2023. The Bitgert cost for December 2023 may in every practical sense arrive at a truly least worth of $0. The most extreme gauge cost truly is around $0, or so they by and large thought. The sort of typical cost for Brise is basically anticipated to truly reach $0 December 2023, which generally is very critical. Bitgert especially passed value examination in the beyond 24 hours. The crypto has been basically diminished by 0.88% in its especially current worth, which really shows that will Brise value sort of outperform its record-breaking high, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking. Assuming we especially analyze the very current market cap of the Brise with yesterday's, you can in a real sense see that the market cap really is likewise down, or so they sort of thought. Bitgert generally is confronting in every way that really matters. Tough time jumping aboard with genuinely other crypto coins. So this makes Bitgert fundamentally positioning at 196 in the digital currency market in a quite enormous manner. The BRISE sort of is down to nearly 11.27% in the very most recent 7 days, which for the most part is genuinely huge. The coin is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for commonly past especially couple of days. The coin could sort of have serious areas of strength for especially in any case. We don't imagine that it would a beneficial resource in genuinely present moment, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Inside the by and large most recent 1 month, the cost of BRISE fundamentally diminished by 48.071%, taking out an incredible especially normal amount of $0 its ongoing worth, or so they essentially thought. This unexpected down by and large implies that the coin in every practical sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can truly be a sort of good for the most part purchase and open door for speedy speculation, showing how this explicitly makes Bitgert fundamentally positioning at 196 in the digital money market, which explicitly is very huge. Bitgert value figure 2023 FAQs. What will explicitly be Bitgert especially worth in 2023? Lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. The BRISE cost by and large is determined to in a real sense arrive at a truly greatest degree of $0, truly least cost of $0, the finish of 2023 in an especially significant manner. Does Bitgert especially have a future, which for the most part is genuinely critical? As far as value, Bitgert certainly has an extraordinary in every practical sense potential to by and large arrive at new levels, exhibiting how Brise value conjecture October 2023. The Bitgert figure for October 2023 expects that the BRISE may in every way that really matters arrive at a for the most part greatest worth of $0, a sort of least cost of around $0, showing how might BRISE cost generally outperform its unsurpassed extremely high in an unobtrusive manner. It really is conjecture that BRISE will increment in esteem, showing how Bitgert value gauge 2023 FAQs. What will especially be Bitgert worth in 2023 in a significant manner, as indicated by really unambiguous specialists and business examiners. Bitgert can explicitly stir things up around town. The most exorbitant cost of $0 2030, by and large in spite of prevalent thinking. Is Bitgert for the most part worth purchasing in 2023, which certainly is very huge. Bitgert's worth really is supposed to in a real sense keep on growing, as lack will in general generally energize cost rise, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. If it's not too much trouble, note, there basically is a gamble to any interest in a significant manner. Simply put resources into what you can truly achieve prior to reaching any resolutions and direct the in every practical sense, greatest examination kind of conceivable in a very significant manner.